A car travels on a circular racetrack, radius put touch, 50 meter, which is banked at an angle theta. If the car travel with a speed 10 meter per second, then wear and tear of the tire is minimum. It's a minimum condition. Taking the acceleration due to gravity to be 10 meter per second, the value of theta. Now, formula தெரியும். Tan theta is equal to V squared by RG. இதுதான் condition for the car going in a inclined road without skidding. இதுதான் condition. இதை நம்ம டெரைவ் பண்ணல, நேராக ஃபார்முலா எடுத்துட்டோம். theta will be equal to tan inverse of V வந்து 10 squared 100 divided by R வந்து 50 meter into 10 acceleration due to gravity. Okay, acceleration due to gravity நம்ம 10 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ எல்லாம் கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். 1 2 கேன்சல். அப்போ theta is tan inverse of 1/5 is the answer.